Xiaomi has been teasing the Poco M6 Pro 5G for quite a while now. However, none of the previous teasers have confirmed the device's launch date. Well, the most recent announcement from Xiaomi has given away the official unveiling date. The device is set to land on August 5th, which is just 2 days away. While Xiaomi did not reveal in-depth specs of the Poco M6 Pro, the past announcements offered insight into the device's important bits. One main highlight is that the Poco M series will return to 5G land with the M6 Pro, and as far as the teasers are hinting, the phone will feature an entry-level price tag. Apart from revealing its rear design, the company has not disclosed any details on its specifications. However, a new report has revealed everything about the design, specifications, and price of the device. Poco M6 Pro 5G specifications. Operating system, Android 13. Chipset, Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2. GPU, Adreno 613. Display type, IPS LCD, refresh rate 90 Hz. Display size, 6.79 inches. Pixel density, 396 pp. Screen resolution, 1080 x 2460 pixels. Base memory internal base, starting with a 4/128 GB. Camera, 50 MP primary camera, 2 MP depth camera. Image resolution, 8150 x 6150 pixels. Front camera, 5 MP primary camera. Wi-Fi 802.11. Bluetooth, 5.3. USB, Type-C 3.1. Sensors, side fingerprint sensor, gyro, proximity, compass. Battery type, lithium polymer battery, 5000 mAh. Charging, 18W wired. Pricey, expected price starts at $133. Launch date, expected release August 5th.